In the month of February, I made over $13,000 using TikTok Shop, but the month of March was definitely very different. You can see in the month of March, I only made $3,800. And this is what I've learned about the discrepancies on TikTok Shop and how it can help you build your business as well. So in February, I had a viral video. We're talking 7 point something million views to help me sell products on TikTok Shop. That was huge and very, very exciting, of course. The month of March, nowhere near having the viral videos. In fact, towards the end of March, my TikTok Shop really went in the tank. So what I've learned is that number one, your hook when it comes to any type of videos, but especially TikTok Shop videos, is the most important piece of creating content. So you should be spending a ton of time creating your hook. Now, if content like this is helpful, definitely make sure you like and follow because my entire channel is set up to help moms monetize our media scroll. And then make sure you save this video for when you need it. One of the best places to come up with some hooks is ChatGPT. And what I like to do is I like to plug in, tell ChatGPT exactly what it is I'm looking for, and I ask them to give me 5 or 6 viral hooks that is going to captivate my audience. Now, the other thing that I learned throughout the month of February and March is that TikTok Shop is just not a true guarantee. And so I am so grateful that I have additional income streams on social media that have helped me because going from over almost $14,000 a month to $3,000 a month is just not going to cut it. And so I always recommend diversifying your income. And that's why I love building multiple affiliate streams. And I love actually the affiliate company that I'm with that gives me the lifetime value of my customer because then I get every single reorder, which I don't get on TikTok Shop. So thank goodness for multiple income streams and cheers to another month of TikTok Shop. Let's hope we all crush it together in the month of April.